up, you guys? It's the girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Whoop, whoop. If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we drop the business tea for free. You already know. And today, you guys, we are literally about to be making AirPod cases. This is my first time ever making an AirPod case, so I'm excited about it. Okay, literally. Okay. If you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to join the Sublimation family over here, the phone case business family over here. I drop vlogs, I drop tutorials, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so let's get into the video. Period. Alright, you guys, before I do anything, I always turn on my heat press first because it takes a while to heat up. Okay, she's old. So my exact heat settings, everything I use will be in the description box below under my sublimation course. Alright, you guys, so these are the AirPods I'll be using today. Where I got them from is linked in the description below, but you can see the website right here. But check out the description box, I will have the exact link for you. So I got a black one and a white one. So let's unpackage these. And these are for the AirPods 3 version, but they have all different versions of the AirPods. They have phone cases, they have everything that you need to sublimate. They have it. Okay. So this is how it looks, like that. And these are our metal plates that we have here. So like 2 for each. Oh my god. So like 2 for each side. Of course, if you're new here, let me just show you. So this is a metal plate here. It goes on this side, and this is a metal plate here. It goes on the other side. So that's the white one, and this is the black one. Let me unpack it for you guys. Oh, something fell. So this came with the same thing, metal plate for 2 sides, and it came with the little ones here as well. Now we're about to go on our computer and get my design so I can print it out and everything. All right, you guys, so this is the template I'll be using to make the actual AirPod case picture. I got this template from the same website that I got the AirPod case from. The link in the description box below, it should be the first link. So I'm gonna use this design right here, and I'm just gonna drag this in and see how I can maneuver it and everything. So maybe I should make this smaller. And I'm just doing like 1 AirPod case today. Well, I'll just do 2. I'll do 2 of them. So this is the first one. Let's see. It's this. I like to leave a little room for my H2, so that's why I have it there. Okay, so that is how it looks. I don't know if I need to, what is up here? Template, do I need to do this? Out this? Okay, I don't think so. I'm gonna just print it out and see how it goes. So I just doing 2 of them. I don't think I need everything on the bottom, but I'm too lazy to cut it, so I'm just print it like this. So I press unprint, click on my print settings. Now I have all my print settings already pre-saved already. So yeah, if you want these exact print settings, if you want to check out my sublimation course below, it'll give you like the exact print settings, the exact heat press settings, everything you need to know. So I'm gonna make sure that I select my mirror settings because this is a metal case that I'll be sublimating. So I've selected that, and then press save, and then from there I'm just gonna print it out. Alright, y'all, so these are the 2 cases here. So what I'm about to do is just take off the plastic on these, and this one is gonna be used for like my personal use, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but these usually have plastics on it, as you can see. Just take the plastic off of them. First one, this one is good. so I have, is this it? Alright guys, so I have my printed out design here. This is the brand I use. This is linked in the description box below, the sublimation paper, so make sure you check that out. But I'm about to use my scissors and just cut off the excess I do not need. And this can be reused for like anything else I want to sublimate. Alright, so once that's cut off and we have all our plastics off now, what I'll do is just grab one of the metal sheets and place it on here just to make sure it's good, which it is. And then I'm gonna get my sublimation tape. I showed this in my previous videos before, but if you're new here, this is like a sublimation, I call it contraption. It just holds your heat, not sublimation tape, I mean heat tape. It just holds your heat tape for you, and it cuts it into little bit of pieces, which is crazy. Like, I love it so much. So I have that link in the description box below as well. So I'm about to just grab a piece. I'm gonna tape it like this. I could tape it on the black line, not on like the other design. That's fine. Grab another one, and I could tape this one coming down. Taping with gloves on is like so hard. Okay, then I grab this other piece. Want to make sure no lint or anything is on this, and then as soon as I said that, it fell. But this is the other one. Hopefully you guys can see. Put that on there. Let's tape this one up. Up. So next we about to put it into our heat machine. Alright, so I have the heat press ready to go. This is my Teflon sheets I usually use. Clearly I need a new one, but let me see if I have a new one real quick. I thought I had a new one, but I guess I don't, so I just want to put this in here. I'll just put it in here like this. Like that, and then just close it under here. Y'all, it's old. My thing is old, so press that down, and then we watch that baby go. Period. Alright, you guys, so it is done. So let's take it out and see how it looks. You see that smoke, baby? Okay. So I'll take this off because I'm not using it for the rest of the night. Alright, y'all, so let's check it and see. It's pretty hot, so be careful in this part. I'll just check one. Hopefully it's sublimated. I think it will be. Yeah, it is. As you guys can see, it's sublimated with this one. So now that we have that off, I'll just take the tape off of it. It's almost done, y'all. Comment down below if you thought this was pretty easy. And comment down below too and let me know if I should start selling AirPod cases. This one, I kind of messed up on this one because like the black kind of went on it, but that's okay. All right, so now for the fun part, because we're almost done. So just take this off. It'll come off. Fits in it, you guys. So this is the front. This is the back here. Take this off. And that fits in there perfectly. And then let's do the top. So this is the top like that, and then you put it together and look how cute it looks, y'all. So cute. And then let's do the black case now, which is over here. And then we're just gonna do the same thing for this one. All right, y'all, so these are the two cases that we just did. Super cute. It was definitely easy to make. I don't even know why I was nervous, but definitely easy. So they look really good. Alright, you guys, thank you guys for watching your girl video on how to sublimate a AirPod case. I hope this tutorial was very easy for you to follow. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. You know what, if this tutorial was really helpful for you, please like it, okay? It will help your girl in the algorithm. Thanks, period. But I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye. I have a huge announcement. I am doing a giveaway, a sublimation starter pack giveaway that comes with all the supplies you need to make your very own phone case, okay? I'm talking about the cases, sublimation cases, the paper, the ink, everything, okay? So I only have 2 rules. The first rule, you must be following me on Instagram, and the second rule, you must be following me on my Pinterest. Both of those social media links are down below. If you search TechWithNath on Instagram with a H and a TH, and if you search TechWithNath on Pinterest as well, I should come up. But if you can't find it, the links are directly below, okay? So once you finish those 2, make sure you comment done so it can be easier to help pick one of you guys for this giveaway, definitely. So I'm gonna give you guys like maybe, should I do 2 months or 1 month? I was thinking maybe at the end of summer I can pick someone. That way it gives you guys a lot of time to, you know, make sure you follow my social medias, and then it is a fair win. So I'll give you guys until like the end of summer, August. I'll definitely be picking a winner, and I'll contact you and everything and get your information. I'm gonna go live and pick the winner so you guys can, you know, share that moment with me, period.